Eddie. Madison. Top of the afternoon to you. St. Patty's Day, dog birthdays. Scooter's going crazy. Sunshine's mellow. I don't know where Patty Girl is. Patty Girl. Top of the morning. There's Patty Girl. Getting ready for dinner. Got all those internet web-based votes in. Let's see what the results are. Well, looks like steak won. Patty Girl. Gonna be 9. Sunshine. 8. Scooter. Gonna be 8. And once again, that's me, Jim. Older than fucking dirt. It could be a birthday party. Just not sure. What are we missing? Dogs. Food. Beer. Oh no, I got my beer. What are we missing? And then we have the pièce de résistance. We get a little bit of Little Caesars. Well, I still don't get any of that. Okay. Happy birthday, kids. Happy birthday. What do you think there, Sunshine? Being good boys and girls, not fucking jumping up on the table. Patty Girl? Nah. Sunshine? Sunshine? Scooter? Patty Girl? Go for it, kids. Go for it. Scooter. Don't get much better than that, does it, kids? I'm eating my friggin' Vienna sausages and you're eating steak. Go girl, Sunshine. Go for it. All right, Patty Girl. Happy birthday, dogs. Sunshine, you ate that too quick.